Good morning, Dr. Boffa. We're gonna talk about time management today, and I hear you're the expert on that. You wanna tell us a little bit about yourself and your background?
For sure. My name is Dr. Adriana Boffa. I am currently a lecturer at the University of Alberta in the Faculty of Education, and I'm excited to be here today to speak with you on time management. I am an educator, a researcher, a writer, also a former student, and a mother of two amazing humans. And time management and organizational skills have helped me throughout the years to succeed in all these areas. And I believe that applying these skills here today could help you and everyone, hopefully.
Finding tools for time management. What is a manipulative and how can you use them?
So, manipulatives are tools that you can use to your advantage. And I encourage that everyone find tools that help you and support you in your journey. And there are many tools out there for time management, and all you need to do is search them out. Uh, the internet is full of them and suggestions for them. I have some to show you, and here is one, for instance. Did this come through?
I'm seeing it, yep.
Okay, great. So this is one, it's called Notion. And Notion is a platform it's an AI platform. It's really useful. And you can create um, your own almost like website or web landing page for yourself.
hmm
And on that page, you can customize it for your own needs. And you can add templates that support study habits, that supports your, um, for example, to-do list, habit tracking, reading list, taking notes, course schedules, etc. So there are so many tools on here that you can use for success. One of them here that I created for this project specifically is the to-do list. So you can put it in any format that you like. In a task list, you could put it in board format where you can change it once you haven't started, and then it's in progress, and then when it's done. You can view it in calendar format, so you can see where it is. You can see what's coming up. And you can even see it in a timeline format, so you can see where it's at. So whichever preference you like, it's viewable, it's visible, and you can make it actionable. It also has study tools like the Pomodor tracker. And this is actually great for those who have trouble focusing and who actually want something to help them to stay motivated. And also for those who are hyper-focused, like myself, you get so focused on a task that you forget to take breaks. So this one is actually really great because you put in the tasks that you want to do, like, let's say, write a paragraph, and you say it's going to take me, Pomodoro is 25 minutes, or you say it's going to take me 50 minutes. You add 2 Pomodoros. But then you save it, and then you start it, and it'll start counting down. And then when it's done, it will say, okay, it's time to take a break. And the breaks are usually 5 minutes long. And then it says, okay, it's time to continue again. And you keep going. So that's one focus tool that there is. There are other focus tools out there as well.
Okay.
So there's one called Forest. It helps you stay focused by watching a tree grow. So you plant a seed and then the tree grows as long as you're focused on your work. And then if you leave, your tree dies. But
Oh,
if you continue, you end up growing that tree. And in the end, a tree is actually planted in your name.
okay.
And then there's Habitica, and this one is if you are a gamer and you like games, and you get a boost of motivation by collecting rewards.
Perfect. So those are manipulatives.
Yeah, these are tools that will help you. Like for instance, these ones in particular are ones that help you stay focused. The ones that I showed you earlier, these ones are tools for scheduling and organizing. Other tools, for instance, can be paper tools, like an actual physical calendar, whiteboards that if you prefer to write your tasks on something bigger, and or have sticky notes and have those sticky notes on the whiteboard, that helps as well, where you can actually take those sticky notes off of your whiteboard and then tear them up and throw them away when you're finished. Those help as well. So
Okay.
those are all tools, and they can be used collectively at the same time, in combination with your phone, with your physical calendar, with your notepad, with you can use all of them at once, or one if you prefer. Um, other supports not to be forgotten are your support network as well.
Okay. Now, who do you lean on for support? Parents, friends, or does it depend on the person?
I lean on anyone that is willing to help. So it's important to have a network of supportive people around you, those who are willing to lift you up and to be there for you. So peers, friends, those in the community, and teachers who are there to help you when needed. All you need to do is ask.
Mhm. Okay.